Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, damn, I actually look good today? But then someone takes a random picture of you and suddenly you're like, wait, is that really me? Same face, same day, same lighting, same you. But the mirror says attractive and the camera says, who is this guy? That confusion? It's not because you're delusional. It's because both the mirror and the camera are tricking you. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why you almost always look worse in photos than you do in the mirror. And once you understand this, you'll never obsess over bad pictures again. Cameras don't show your real face. Let's start with something most people don't realize. Your phone has never shown your true face, not even once. When you take a photo, your camera doesn't just capture you, it processes you instantly in milliseconds. Modern smartphones automatically enhance the image, sharpening details, smoothing skin, adjusting exposure, boosting contrast, correcting shadows. AI steps in before you even see the photo. You've seen how phones can capture insanely detailed moonshots, right? The lens sees a blurry white dot, the software reconstructs the rest. If your phone can enhance the moon, what do you think it's doing to your skin? And here's the twist. Every brand processes faces differently. Some increase sharpness, some warm up skin tones, some boost clarity and contrast. That means your face doesn't have one selfie version. It has multiple versions depending on the device. So even your best-looking selfie, it's still edited by software. The mirror isn't honest either. Now you might think, okay, fine. Cameras manipulate, but the mirror is real. Not exactly. Most mirrors aren't perfectly flat. Slight bends can subtly stretch or compress your reflection. Gym mirrors are often adjusted to make your body look broader. Retail stores use flattering mirrors to make customers feel better about what they're wearing. Even temperature changes can slightly affect certain mirrors over time. But the biggest thing? The mirror flips your face. You are used to seeing a reversed version of yourself. That flipped image feels normal to your brain. When you see a photo, which shows you the way other people actually see you, it feels off. Not because it's worse, but because it's unfamiliar. You're not reacting to ugliness, you're reacting to difference. Lighting is the real game changer. Here's the real reason most photos hurt your confidence: lighting. At home, you usually have soft, diffused light. It smooths out texture, softens shadows, and makes your skin look more even. Step into harsh lighting, overhead lights, direct sun, strong flash, and suddenly everything stands out. Shadows under your eyes, skin texture, asymmetry. Your face didn't downgrade, the light changed. Soft light equals flattering. Harsh direct light equals unforgiving. That's why some days you look amazing in the mirror, but terrible in a random group photo. The truth no one talks about. Here's the part that really hits. You will never see a 100% perfectly accurate version of your face. Mirrors flip you, cameras process you, lighting alters you, lenses distort perspective, and even your brain adjusts what you see. There isn't one fixed, real version of you. Your appearance shifts depending on conditions. So stop chasing that one perfect, permanent look. It doesn't exist. How to get the most accurate version, close to 90%. If you want the closest possible version of how you actually look, do this. Hold your phone at arm's length. Use natural evening light or shoot on a cloudy day. Avoid direct sunlight. Turn off filters, beauty mode, and HDR. Keep the background simple. Distance reduces lens distortion. Soft light keeps shadows natural. No processing means fewer artificial changes. Will it be 100% accurate? No, but it'll be the closest you can realistically get. And once you understand all this, you stop letting one bad photo destroy your mood, because the problem was never your face, it was the illusion. If this made you rethink how you see yourself, stick around. The next one will change the way you upgrade yourself completely.